In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record audio in Canva without using a camera. This can be a fantastic tool if you're looking to add a personal touch to your designs without the need for video. First, let's get started by heading over to Canva's website. Simply open your preferred web browser and type in Canva's URL. If you're not already logged in, you'll need to do so by clicking on the Login button, which is usually located in the top right corner of the page. Choose whichever login method suits you best, whether it's Google, Facebook, or email. Once logged in, you'll be prompted to select your Google account if you've used it for signing in. It's a quick process. Just select your account and follow the prompts to proceed. If needed, click Continue to permit access and finalize the login process. Now that you're in Canva's dashboard, it's time to open the project you want to work on. This can be an existing project, or you might want to create a brand new one. Once you've decided, navigate to the side menu and click on Uploads. Here you'll find an option called Record Yourself. This feature is splendid for creating voiceovers directly in your design without additional software. After clicking Record Yourself, you will see another option, Record Voiceover. Click on this and you'll be prompted to choose your recording device. This is an essential step to ensure the audio input is coming from the correct microphone, be it your computer's built-in mic or an external one. Look for the mic with a gear icon. Clicking on it will allow you to select or adjust your recording settings. Now comes the exciting part, recording your voice. Press the Record button when you're ready to start speaking. Make sure you articulate clearly and at a measured pace. Feel free to rehearse a few lines before hitting record, especially if it's your first time. Once you've finished your voiceover, simply click Finish. This will stop the recording and save your audio to the project's media library. And there you have it. Your audio clip is now part of your Canva project, ready to be edited or used as you see fit. Finally, you're done. You've successfully recorded audio in Canva without the use of a camera. This method is perfect for creating engaging and personalized content easily. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to re-record if necessary to get the best possible result. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that you enjoy adding audio to your Canva creations. If you have any questions or need further clarification, don't hesitate to reach out. Happy designing!